All right, so first of all, guys, friends and family and backers and students and my amazing team, all of you that came for this special occasion, make some noise so everybody knows you're here. Come on. Yeah. Fantastic. You know, this is an exciting day for me, and some of you know why you're here. Some of you might not even know why you're here. Nah, I think y'all know why you're here, but it's an exciting day for me because, as you know, I wrote a book. Some things you may or may not know is that this book is really the combination of kind of a life of work. You know, the reality is that while I took advantage of the pandemic a year ago to really get down to finishing writing the book. You know, I've been really writing the book for the last 20 years that we've had the martial arts school, developing the programs that led to the creation of the superpowers, the black belt superpowers. And you could even make the argument over the last 38 years that I have trained in the martial arts and grown up in the martial arts. And the teachings of so many great mentors and the input from so many great students, and again, my amazing team and my family that supported me. And again, I thank all the backers that helped me be able to bring the book to actual fruition. You know, I told you I decided this time last year, just as we were getting shut down over the pandemic, that this lifelong goal was gonna be seen all the way through. And you know, and then I wrote it, you know, like I said, wrote it over all those years, but sat down and finished it probably in 90 days. But because there's some other publishers in the room, you know how much happens after that. I didn't realize how long it takes to actually get to this point where you get a box of the physical books. And so I am super duper excited that the day is actually here. I hope that when I open this box, it's really books. And I hope you guys are as excited as I am. If it's anything else, this is gonna be like one of the most viral blooper videos ever. But hopefully this is my book, Developing Your Superpowers. Drum roll. And the book has come out even more beautiful than I had hoped. The cover is beautiful, and I love that inside there's the black print and stuff, but there's beautiful color photos throughout it too. So this is a really cool book. As I told you guys, students, you're going to recognize so much of this because the foundational black belt superpowers are the first 6 chapters of the book, and of course, you know, it's what we teach you we began in your basic training course, and then of course as you move on to the black belt leadership program and on your ways to becoming black belts. And by the way, anybody who's not a student that's watching this, you can get these on Amazon as well, or you can go to my author page, SheonSteve.com, or and if you want to find out more about this beautiful dojo and join these great students and sensei here, that's at TampaCravMaga.com. Thanks everybody for being a part of this today.